So I'm doing an Amazon wig review of this Freetress wig. This is Freetress wig from Amazon. I don't know if they still selling on Amazon, but I'm sure they are. I've had this wig since 2019. I take very good care of my synthetic wigs. Let me tell you, this is one of my favorite. I have a few of them. Synthetic wigs for work. And I'll show you why. I'll show you why. She's still pretty. She's synthetic. Freetress. Am I saying it right? Freetress. The more natural, more kinky at the ends is better for me. Look at her. She's still pretty. Still pretty. Now, how she's my favorite, I'll tell you. She has, let me see her combs. 2 combs right up front, right by the part. Is there one back here? One at the back. Nice cap. They probably designed them a little different since this is a couple of years old. Oh. But she was my baby. She is. I don't work anymore. She fits me perfectly. I don't even have to put a headband on it. She already knows where to go, where to sit. Yes. What I have probably done over the years with this synthetic blend hair, probably knocked a lot of the curls out. But she sits nice and snug. Look, almost damn near blended straight in with my head because I've worn her so much. But what I would do with this hair right here, because I couldn't wear hair down my back, I used to just take this. I couldn't even wear it on my shoulder. And I'll just bend it a little bit. Then I used to take this right here. I used to flip it up. So I probably bent a lot of the curls out. You know, I probably did. But it's a conservative style for work. I used to be able to do a little something like this, you know. Fight back on the side, you know. If it dropped, you know, you give it a little swirl. She always kept this for me. Freetress wigs are good. And I love the color. Had her for a minute and she ain't going nowhere. Because when I have to get up and go, she's going to be right there for me. I used to be able to do that. And she's cute down too. But I very seldom wore her down. But she's cute down. She's real cute down. You know. You know, as older she gets, the cuter she gets. They just make good wigs. Real good wigs. And look, I'm not even worried about this right here because it looks really good. It looks really good from this Freetress wig. It just looks really good. You ladies know what to do with all this. Y'all know what to do, you know? I'm just telling you how it looks on me. And you know, I get a little carried away. Let me see how else I used to do it. I used to try all kinds of stuff. I like to bend. So if you were to pin this down, I just bend. I'll have me a pretty bun. Then after work, you just let it down. What do you think? She's cute, huh? Thank you. Thank you for watching.